To print a book from the document on computer, first, you need to install the correct print driver. Prepare a document to be printed. The demonstration is an 8 pages PDF file. After opening the document, enter to the printing interface. Click Properties. Select Layout Page. Select the binding orientation in the Booklet function. Click Booklet Settings. After select the Require Staple and Fold settings, click OK. Click OK again and return to the printing interface. Finally, click Print to start the printing.